How to find billing settings on Roblox mobile. Now, if you have just recently updated your Roblox application to its latest version, you will no longer see the billing settings on a Roblox mobile. So let's just go ahead and pull up our Roblox application right here. Now, once you have access on your account, just log it in before we can go ahead and check on the billing settings. Once you have successfully logged in, go to More, the three dots on the lower right, and then head over to the settings. Now here, so the old version of Roblox Mobile is actually you'll be able to see the billing options or the billing settings right there. But if you have just recently updated your Roblox to the latest version, you will no longer see that, but instead you will see subscriptions. Now, this tab is actually the same with the billing tab on the old version. The difference is just the name. So instead of billing, they change it to subscriptions. All the necessary options and settings that the billing has is actually the same on this one. So that's the steps on how you find the billing settings on Roblox Mobile.